Alright, my name's Caesar, and today I'm going to be assessing the 1 mile run test. So this assessment is to get an estimation of VO2 max, and this is appropriate for someone who's healthy and physically active, so someone who's actually able to run, and it's going to be a submaximal test. You're going to want to run as fast as you can, but it's preferred that you stay at a slower pace. So for men, you want them to run in at least 8 minutes. For women, you're going to want them to run in at least 9 minutes. The only equipment we're going to be using today is a pencil, paper, the proper clothing attire, stopwatch, and heart rate monitor is optional. So before you start the assessment, you're going to want to do a 2 to 3 minute warm-up, and that's going to assess or establish your pace. So after you finish the run, you're going to take your heart rate, and you're going to use a palpation technique. So you can either take the carotid artery or you can do the radial artery. And the way you're going to do it is just use 2 fingers, any 2 fingers except for the thumb, and then you're going to place it over the artery. You're going to count for 15 seconds, and then you're going to multiply that by 4. Alright, so I just finished my 2 to 3 minute warm-up, and now I'm going to go ahead and start with the assessment. Alright, so that's it for my 1 mile jog. Now I'm just going to do the heart rate.
Your heart rate should not exceed 180 beats per minute.
Alright, so we completed the submaximal jog test. Now we're going to be doing a walk test. So this one's going to be appropriate for a more sedentary population, someone who's not able to jog. And for this one, you're going to want to get a 5 to 10 minute warm-up. Just walk as fast as possible without running or jogging. And once the walk is completed, you're going to have to take the post-exercise heart rate as well.
Once the 2 assessments are completed, your VO2 max can be estimated based on 2 separate formulas for the 1 mile jog test and for the 1 mile walk test. In addition to the final times and heart rates, you also need to calculate your body weight in pounds and in kilograms, and you'll need to change the final times from minutes and seconds to minutes with a decimal. You'll also notice that your gender plays a factor in the formulas. For males, the number to be plugged into the formula is the number 1, and for females, it is 0. So once all the values are calculated, I found that my VO2 max was 54.3 milliliters per kilograms per minute. And based on normative values on my age and sex, that classifies me as superior. So now moving on to the VO2 max formula for the 1 mile walk test. Similar values are plugged in, however for this one the body weight is in pounds. And the final VO2 max that I found was 44.5 milliliters per kilogram per minute, and this giving me a classification of good.